The Tecno Camon 12 is a beautiful device, but is it durable? In this video, we're going to find out. If you like the B-roll, please support my channel by subscribing. I'm trying to get to 1000 subs. Now let's move on to the review and the drop test. Now the first reason why I love the Camon 12 is the size of the display. It has a 6.52 inch 720p display that is big, and because of the size, you're most likely to drop it. Ouch! So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a terrazzo floor. It's hard, and I'm going to drop the phone. It's working actually. It's working, by the way. I'm going to drop this phone from the height of my hip, so let's see what happens. Ouch. Everything works fine. No cracks. I'm going to drop it again from the other pocket, hip height. Still, everything works fine. No cracks. You know, it runs fine. I don't know if you can see. Everything runs fine. So now I'm going to drop it. I'm 5'11" and I'm going to drop it from my head. So the phone is on my head right now. I don't know if you can see. So I'm just going to drop it face down. And everything still works fine. You know? So these phones are actually durable. Just one more test, or two more tests actually. Table height, which is also the same thing with the hip height. This happens regularly, you know. Phone still works, as you can see. Phone still works. I'm going to match the phone now. I don't know if you see. So the whole of my weight, I weigh what? I weigh 85 kg, and the whole of my weight is going to be exerted on this phone. Will it survive? Let's see. So this is me matching it. Like, this is me matching it. And the phone still survives. Nothing. It works. It works. Tecno phones are durable. Yeah. And just for the fun of it, because it's a drop test, I'm just going to throw it again one more time. Like, woo. And it works. I don't know if you guys can see. It works. As you can see, I've dropped this phone numerous times with the case and the screen protector that came in the box of this phone. Everything still works. There are no scratches, no resetting, no screen damage, no wahala. As long as you put on the case and the screen protector, you'll be fine if you drop this phone. If you want to see me repeat the drop test without the case and the screen protector, subscribe to my channel, get me to 2000 subs, and I promise you, you'll have that video. You have 10 days to go. Vote by clicking on that subscribe button. The second thing I love about this device is the 4000 milliamps battery. I have used this device for 7 days and I've never run out of battery. I use this phone for work, replying emails, WhatsApp, Telegram. I'm always on 4G network and it is yet to disappoint me. Battery life on this device is superb. For my usage, I get 8 hours screen on time and that's not bad at all. Now this segment of this video was shot using the rear camera on the Camon 12. The audio you're hearing is from the Camon 12 as well. In a properly lit environment, you get good results, as you can see. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the quality of the video. And I don't know, I've not seen it, so I'm sure it's pretty good. The Camon 12 takes good pictures and videos. So yeah. The front camera has a 16 megapixel sensor that takes decent pictures, as you can see. The front camera records in 1080p, and here is a sample. Hello guys, so here's a video from the front facing camera. It records in 1080p and really, it's not bad. See? It's not bad. Whoa, it's raining. Yeah. At the rear, you have a 16 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel wide camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Pictures captured using these cameras are alright. The 16 megapixel rear camera records in 1080p. Google Lens is integrated into the camera software. The cool thing about Google Lens is, imagine you see a text on a card, a textbook, and you want to copy that text. All you have to do is bring out your phone, take a picture using Google Lens, and voila, you have the text on your phone. Another thing I love about the Camon 12 is you get 10GB of free data for 1 month, and the amazing thing is you don't need to have a SIM card in the phone. Thanks to Fred Tech Hub for pointing this out. Subscribe to his channel, he's a cool dude. Simo is the app that gives you free 10GB of data. It is pre-installed on the phone, and all you have to do is set up Simo by connecting to a Wi-Fi network, wait for it to connect, turn off your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. But wait, the Camon 12 is 47,500 naira. You get 10 gig of free data to browse. 10 gig is about 5,000 naira. This is the kind of value you get when you use a Tecno phone. Later in I got to talk say, Tecno no dey try. Mr. Shegun, take your time, oh. Politician, take your time, oh. Those are my friends, by the way. They don't like Tecno, but this is the kind of value you get when you use a Tecno phone. You don't get this kind of value elsewhere. Now let's move to what I don't like about the Camon 12. I don't like the fact that I get ads on my lock screen. But when you get ads like this, the Go Back Beer ad, I'm not sure parents will be stoked about having that kind of ad on their kid's phone. But there's a way around it. You can set the image on the lock screen to the one you want, and that takes care of the science student. No more ads. The second thing I don't like about the Camon 12 is the face unlock feature. Like, it's too fast. Kilode. The issue I have is when I want to check my notifications and I press the power button, it just unlocks. I mean, I don't want to unlock the phone. I just want to check my notification. Even at awkward angles, it still works. It will unlock. For example, look, even when you cover your face, it unlocks. Like, I didn't press the fingerprint at the back. It unlocks. Oh my god. Now, moving to the interface, I'm not a big fan of the iOS launcher, and here's why. When I open the app drawer, I wish I could just swipe and I'm back to the home screen. Instead, I will have to press the back button. So I switched to Nova Launcher, customized it to look like stock Android, and that made me love the phone. That's the beauty of Android, man. Customization game is 100. You guys should check out Mr. Rick's channel. He has a video on some pretty cool home screen setup. He's a cool dude, and his channel is Pop Roof. I also noticed that the screen on this device gets a little bit unresponsive. It happens when you want to swipe up, as you can see, but installing Nova Launcher kind of solved the problem for me, and it's not a big deal. The phone is still usable. The Camon 12 is one cool phone. You get a big screen that is 6.52 inch, 720p panel, and the quality is not bad. You also get a beautiful design. You get decent cameras, you get 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gig of internal storage, and the memory card slot to further expand your storage to 256 GB. You get a 4000 mAh battery, and most of all, you get value for your money. Like I said earlier on, if you want to see a drop test of this phone without the screen protector and the case, get me to 2000 subs before the end of September, and I promise you, you will have that video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Valor signing out. It didn't break. Everything works well. It's a solid phone.